Alright, I'll admit it. I did it. I was the one who told you the Bonham triplets are right-left kick instead of left-right kick. I know. All I can do now is take responsibility and teach you and even call a Bonham triplet Phil. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Now, yes, I did teach you right-left kick, but I did it for a reason. Mainly because most of us right-hand-led people will find right-left kick easier than doing left-right kick. There you go. That's why I did it. However, if you want to be a purist, and I know many of us do, it's left-right kick most of the time. He does swap it over as well. But here's how you play that Phil. Left-right kick. If you've never done it before, it takes a little while to get used to because your brain is so used to going, my pulse is in the right hand. If it's in the left hand, everything goes wrong. Before you even start trying to put it in fills and stuff, just get used to the sticking and counting with your left hand being on the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it can feel very alien. So this fill. Just left-right kick. Many times over. Left-right kick, left-right kick, left-right kick, left-right kick. As triplets. So I'm going to take this a triplet at a time. The first one, you're going to go snare, floor tom, kick. Next one is high, floor tom, kick. So the first half was pretty easy. Cool. This is where it gets interesting. You then, keeping the sticking the same, but you cross your hands over. Yeah, getting groovy. Your left hits the floor tom, right hand hits the high tom, and then you hit the kick drum. So when that crossover happens, your left hand is the one going underneath. Right hand is going over the top. So to stick it together, you're going snare, floor, floor, high, floor. It's a bit fiddly, but it looks damn cool, so it's worth it.